ApeCoin, suitably named after an extremely well-known truly creature in exchanging circles, is a digital currency propelled by the popular NFT assortment, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, or so they basically thought. This ERC-20 symbolic sort of is utilized for administration purposes in the ape biological system, or so they basically thought. Chim controls the local area that by and large is cash working at the very front of WEB3 in an unobtrusive manner. ApeCoin holders can in every practical sense, in a real sense, choose what bearing the environment will really create in, and can decide on how ApeCoin DAO subsidizes will explicitly be conveyed, or so they for the most part thought. 62% of all ape tokens were distributed to the ApeCoin biological system store. They will be utilized to do the task's different drives, which most certainly is very critical. Despite the fact that ApeCoin has a genuine worth, its association with the NFT reserve reasons in every practical sense, numerous to basically regard it as an image token, if not an overhyped shitcoin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Financial backers by and large have isolated feelings on the ApeCoin digital money, with some being immovably behind it and others anticipating that its air pocket should burst in no time, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In our ApeCoin cost expectation, we will by and large attempt to recognize both of these sides and endeavor to truly make a cost gauge that will work out some kind of harmony between the two polarizing suppositions on ApeCoin, which generally is genuinely huge. Kindly recall that the items in this video generally don't basically comprise speculation guidance, and that you ought to continuously in a real sense, do your kind of own exploration prior to putting resources into any crypto in an unpretentious manner. Presently, we should make a plunge. ApeCoin technical analysis, or so they really thought. There most certainly are a by and large couple of motivations behind why it in a real sense is extraordinarily difficult to really make ApeCoin cost expectations, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Its key worth as a really token, first of all, explicitly is attached to a publicity subordinate undertaking a NFT assortment. Albeit the Bored Ape Yacht Club in every practical sense is one the especially the greatest undertakings of its sort and sort of has been gotten by commonly numerous superstars, it has currently basically begun declining in fame in an inconspicuous way. Obviously, the venture isn't just about NFTs. It's tied in with systems administration with the rich and in every practical sense, renowned at in-person parties, about supporting a stage really does sort of cool things in the blockchain business and significantly more in an unpretentious way. Albeit numerous thoughts behind NFTs really are unimaginable in principle, many individuals generally are not as partial to them practically speaking. The worries we hear most frequently generally are genuinely legitimate. Extremely elevated degrees of force utilization, the theoretical idea of crypto, absence of appropriate guideline, etc., which truly is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, some of them sort of are as of now being settled presently. It's simply a question of changing the public's insight in an inconspicuous manner. ApeCoin price prediction 2022, which basically is very huge. As per the specialized investigation of ApeCoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of ApeCoin will basically be $9.62 in an unobtrusive manner. The really most extreme level that the ape cost can basically reach by and large is $11.62, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The typical exchanging cost in a real sense is normal around $10.02 in a really significant manner. Primate price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value changes of ApeCoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists especially expect the especially normal ape pace of $8.47 in March. Its truly least and fundamentally greatest costs can really be anticipated at $7.67 and at $8.71 individually, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. June 2022. ApeCoin price forecast amazingly. Digital money specialists generally are prepared to declare their figure for the ape cost in April 2022 in an inconspicuous way. The base exchanging cost could especially be $8.24, while the greatest could in every practical sense reach $9.14 during this month in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it truly is normal that the worth of ApeCoin could sort of be around $8.64, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Guerrilla price forecast for July 2022, which is very critical. Crypto investigators explicitly have actually looked at the value changes of ApeCoin price forecast for September 2022 amazingly. Crypto specialists in every way that really matters have broke down ApeCoin costs in 2022, so they are truly prepared to basically give their assessed exchanging normal to July $9.26. The least and pinnacle ape rates could really be $8.86 and $10.29, or so they sort of thought. October 2022. ApeCoin price forecast in a quite enormous way. Crypto experts in every practical sense expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ape cost will for the most part be around $9.45 in an essentially significant manner. In August, the ApeCoin cost might drop to a truly least of $9.12, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The normal pinnacle worth may be $10.66 in August 2022. Guerrilla price forecast for November 2022. Having examined ApeCoin costs, cryptographic money specialists really expect that the ape rate could generally arrive at a limit of $11.13 in September 2022 in an inconspicuous way. It may, nonetheless, drop to $9.33, as opposed to mainstream thinking. For September, the gauge especially normal of ApeCoin is for the most part almost $9.73 in a sort of significant manner. December 2022. ApeCoin price forecast, or so they explicitly thought. Around mid-2022, the ApeCoin cost will truly be exchanged at the kind of typical degree of $10.02 in an exceptionally huge manner. Crypto investigators fundamentally expect that in October 2022, the ape cost could especially vacillate somewhere in the range of $9.62 and $11.62. ApeCoin price prediction 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge. After the investigation of the costs of ApeCoin in earlier years, it fundamentally is expected that in 2023, the base cost of ApeCoin will be around $13.78. The truly greatest expected ape cost might be around $17.34. Overall, the exchanging cost could generally be $14.28 in 2023. ApeCoin price prediction 2024, or so they especially thought. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of ApeCoin, in 2024, APE especially is supposed to have the accompanying pretty least and truly greatest costs. About $19.78 and $24.11, separately in fact. The in every practical sense, normal expected exchanging cost basically is $20.35, or so they basically thought. ApeCoin price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of ApeCoin and their changes during the earlier years in an in every way that really matters, significant way. It truly is accepted that in 2025, the especially least ape cost could drop to $28.47, while its sort of most extreme can explicitly reach $34.68 in a huge manner. Overall, the exchanging cost will fundamentally be around $29.28 in an inconspicuous manner. ApeCoin price prediction 2026, or so they sort of thought. In view of the investigation of the expenses of ApeCoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying genuinely greatest and essentially least ape costs are normal in 2026. $50.86 and $41.91, or so they really thought. All things considered, it will in a real sense be exchanged at $43.38, as opposed to mainstream thinking. ApeCoin price prediction 2027, which by and large is genuinely huge. Crypto specialists generally are continually breaking down the changes of ApeCoin in a significant manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed extremely normal APE cost will be around $64.88, which especially is genuinely critical. It could drop to a really least of $62.71, however it actually could especially reach $72.53 all through 2027, or so they thought. ApeCoin price prediction 2028, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Consistently, digital money specialists basically plan gauges at the cost of ApeCoin in a truly significant manner. It most certainly is assessed that APE will explicitly be exchanged somewhere in the range of $93.52 and $110.98 in 2028, which is very huge. Its typical expense is normal at around $96.11 during the year. ApeCoin price prediction 2029 in an exceptionally large manner. Digital money experts by and large are prepared to report their assessments of the ApeCoin's cost. The year 2029 will not entirely settled by the sort of greatest ape cost of